Welcome to Tech Solution. Linksys velop factory reset. Methods to do Linksys velop factory reset. 1. Using the manual method, soft reset process. 2. Using the hard reset method. Method 1, Linksys velop factory reset manually. Power up your Linksys velop. Connect it to the Internet modem using an Ethernet wire. Launch a web browser of your choice. Enter the velop router's IP address, 192.168.1.1 in the URL bar. Press the Enter key and you will be taken to the router settings page. After having access to the settings page of your velop router, locate and click on Troubleshooting greater than Diagnostic tab. Thus, a factory reset pop-up will appear. Click on the reset link. And then click on the Yes button to confirm your decision. The Linksys velop's power light will start blinking. This indicates that your velop is resetting. Note it down: when the router reset pop-up appears, kindly click on the OK button. Method 2. Linksys velop factory reset via reset button. Plug in your velop router into a well-working wall socket. Find the reset button on your velop router. As soon as you find it, press it gently and hold it up for a few seconds. Release the velop's reset button and wait for the LED on it start blinking. Hooray! Your velop router is now reset using the hard reset method.